Good morning, sunshine. Oh, wait, it's raining. Yay, I love the rain. Look, Mr. Snail is sliding slowly on the leaf. Hello, Mr. Snail. Where are you going today? And there's Froggy. Ribbit, wanna race me to the puddle? Today, I'm going fishing. Maybe I'll catch a big silly fish with a funny face. Or maybe just make new fishy friends. Rainy days are the best days, full of giggles, splashes, and little adventures. Let's go have fun together.